honey locusts. Tire killers for sure. Bunch of them out here. Anytime you see like a spot of grass, there's one in there, or was in there. Some places I just make a path through, like this bottom, the first video, that first spot I completely did. That's where my dad drags his treetops. So I kind of keep that more open down through there, and then the rest of it I put paths out through it. Say what you got buried out here, another locust. There's so many briars and shit, and I don't know this place the greatest. I know it pretty well. You could drop right into a holler if you ain't careful. That's why I haven't done over here, really. There's a good dip here. I know that. For holler, it's just, yeah, I could do this, but I really don't do a lot over on this side anyway. But I like to keep it managed, because that first part up here, when we get back to it, I was gonna bail, but even up there on the upper decker on top of the hill, watch them honey locusts. I was gonna bail that, but hell, I've been dragging wood out there for the past couple of years, so there's branches and there's all kinds of little stuff out there. You just gotta keep it mowed down so I can bail it. But, well, let's try over here. We'll talk about it. Plenty of good coverage. There's a big hauler right here. Whoop. That's a flip a tractor hauler right there. It's got a be a little aware. Cherry. Oh, see what I mean? Never got to that. Push it and holler now. So my original fencing plans was to, well, I was going to, the original, okay, I say the revised version, is from the back corner of the garage, which I'll right over there soon. Run it straight up and up the hill, which I can do an overhead. That way I can keep the cows over here. I could bale this side, and then I could, you know what I mean? Because this has been a cow farm for a long time. And rather than me bush hogging a bunch, I'd just rather have them caper 8 down, you know. a lot better. Because it's starting to get pretty bad. You know? But I'll throw in an overhead right now. Actually, I'll throw in an overhead of the lot that I've fenced in. And then I'll show the plan of this. But the problem is I have to have a gate up there. I have to have 2 gates down here. I've got a creek crossing, and then up the hill I'll need a gate up there where I just did that ash and white oak stuff. That way I can get to this side twice. Actually 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then Dad can still have his wood yard, per se. But yeah, let's ride up here and talk about stuff in here somewhere. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get out of it. Is the bale level is. I gotta keep her. I ain't load this out. And bale this up here. Maybe even bale that down there once I get, comfortable with it. I know there's a bunch of stuff down out through there. Failed. Put a gate, like a 14, 16 footer right here. And then just shoot right up the hill, which I'll show you that. But anyway, bush hogging is done for spring.